Welcome to the NEC Meeting Center training. In this training, we will discuss the layout of the NEC Meeting Center, go over how to create conference calls and add participants, how to personalize the meeting, and then we will go through how to join a conference both as a host and a participant, take a look at the Real View screen, how to record a conference, and how to run reports. We will start with the layout. The first option you see after logging in is the Profile tab. If this is a shared account, do not use this tab. If you have your own account, you can change your password, enter in your phone numbers, and email address. General users will not use the Resource tab unless you would like to add a text-to-speech greeting for participants to hear upon entering the conference call. The Services tab is where you set up and access existing conferences. This will be the most used tab. Clicking on the Real View tab will open a second page that will show you active calls, let you start recording, mute everyone, lock the meeting, or terminate the conference call. From the Reports tab, you can run a service report, which will show you past conference calls, start and end times, recordings that were created, summaries, detail, and logs of the calls. You can also run a usage report from a selected period of time. This will show you a summary or total of all number of conferences, or full details, which includes a spreadsheet full of conference details. Again, if you have a shared account, please be considerate of other users and only look at your own calls. If you click on the Help button, the responses from the Help button change depending on which tab you are in when you click the button. If you are in the Resources tab, it will walk you through how to upload an audio file and how to set it up. If you are in the Services tab, it will walk you through how to set up a conference and invite participants. If you are in the Profile tab, it will walk you through how to edit your profile. The Help button won't open in the Real View tab or the Reports tab. To create a new conference, click on the Services tab. Select Conferences. Click Add. Choose a name for the meeting, such as your name, or the name of the project, client, or reason for the meeting. Choose the Basic Settings tab and customize the meeting by entering an access code for moderators and participants, at least a minimum of 3 characters. Adding audio options, choosing which security options you want to add, and setting up recording options. Click on the Scheduling tab. Check the box to enable scheduling if you would like this conference to have a start and end time. If you leave it the way it is, it will always be available for use. Enter a date and time, and check the Call In box. Click Submit to add your meeting to the list of conferences. Here is the conference I just added. To add participants to a conference, click on the iCal icon. If your browser of choice asks you what you want to do with this conference, click Open. Outlook will then open. Click Invite Attendees and make changes as you would for setting up any other meeting through Outlook. And click Send to send out to your participants. To join a conference as the moderator, from the office, dial the conference extension. From outside of the office, dial the full 10-digit extension and enter in the moderator code. If you don't remember it, you can open an internet browser and sign into your meeting center. Click on Services and click Conferences. Find the moderator code for the meeting that you are calling into. To join a conference as a participant, from the office, dial the conference extension. From outside of the office, dial the full 10-digit number and enter in the access code found in the invite. To record a conference call, click on the Real View tab. Once you find your call, press the green play button to start recording. To stop recording, click the gray pause button. To mute participants, from the Real View tab, click on the microphone icon. To unmute, click the microphone again. To lock a meeting so no one else can join, from the Real View window, click the lock icon. To unlock the meeting, click the lock icon again. To terminate a conference call, from the Real View tab, click on the red square. And click Confirm to end the call. To find a recording of the conference or other details about a conference call, click on the Reports tab and choose Service Reports. This page allows you to see start and end times, recordings, summaries and details, and logs. To save a recording, click Listen and choose Save. The summary will give you the number of people on the call and how long the conference lasted. Details will tell you the numbers that dialed in and when they connected and when they disconnected from the call. Another type of report that you can run is a usage report. Click Reports and select Usage Reports. Select Start and End Dates to search. Click Summaries to get a total count of conferences held and how long they lasted, or click Full Details, and that will open an Excel spreadsheet with details of the numbers that dialed in and when they connected and disconnected from the call. Congratulations! You have completed the training for the NEC Meeting Center. If you have any further questions, please contact your system administrator.